Alright, so as a weekly assignment for computer network class, it was asked of us to create an instant messaging app, and I've got one right here. I'll go over the code real quick and then I'll demonstrate how the application works. But the basics are we use sockets and TCP connection to connect the server to the clients. The server has functions such as, it accepts incoming connections and then handles clients. What that means is it's gonna broadcast messages that's coming from every client to every other client in the group. And it's gonna also handle things such as exiting and terminating the application. And we run all these, we use a thread for every single client on the server. And the second script is for the clients. What it does is it handles, receives messages from other clients that is broadcasted by the server. It sends messages. Firstly it sends the message to the server, and the server broadcasts the message to every single user. And then we have a simple user interface. And that's all about the code. And we're using localhost, which is 127.0.0.1. What it does is it loops the connection, which means we're able to send the messages to the same machine. That's what that means basically. It's a loop IP address, and we can use any port address we like, as long as it's not being used by some other application. And this is the message size. So let's check out how the application works. First we need to open up a server. Alright, it's waiting for connections. Now we need clients. Alright, that's the first client. Let's name it user1. Welcome user1 if you want to quit. And then you can send any message you like. And let's open up another client. Right, I can type there. Okay, we'll name this one client 2. Welcome client 2. Alright, so whenever we have an incoming connection, after the first connection it will recognize it and then add it to the group, and it will just create a group chat. So that's all. And if you send a message by the first user, the client 2 will get the message by server, and let's check if the client 2 is able to send a message to the user 1, and it is. So everything works, and that's all. Just a simple instant messaging application. Thank you for listening.